Hi guys, 2024 Audi A3. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change. Alright, this baby has 4,000 miles, by the way. You see what's good over here. Shout out to the subscribers. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. When I come through down here, this is how you open the hood. Alright, pull it once, just like that. Oil cap, oil filter, coolant reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir, engine oil filter, battery, fuse box, brake fluid reservoir, 2.0. Boom. How you see this baby? We're gonna have to remove all this cover. It's this. I would like three over here on each side. One over here. Three over here. Alright. Let's see. Maybe some. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see what we can do with this. For the guys on the side, it's gonna be T25. I got one, two, three. These are bigger though. Another three over here. One over here. Let me see. Let me see. For this one's in the back. That's T45. T45. I got three of this. Don't tell me that's another one. Yeah. Because it looks like and this one's. Huh. Those are funny. They're plastic. T25 for those. Am I forgetting something? Uh, like it's attached somewhere. Here's the cap. Okay. Very interesting. Now this, we're just gonna pull it. If okay, we're gonna have to pry it over here. Pry it here. There you go. All right. All that for the oil drain plug. I want to say that's the same T45. There you go. Ah, good chick bucket. There you go. What you think about that oil? Do you want to go another 3,000 miles? Oh, the good thing is that this car, the owner decided to do the oil service at 4,000 miles, and he didn't wait to get to the 10,000 miles service. That's good. That's good. That's what I'm talking about. A lot of people, well, they don't know. They just follow instructions from the dealership, and at this point, I wouldn't trust the dealerships. If you ask me, none changed. Now, let me see the oil filter. Oil filter should come with a. No, it doesn't come with an oil ring. But this is the oil filter right here. Okay, that's a part number for this one. Pronto, the brain, part number, and this one especially give you a few options: brand, top bar, mobile, pure labels, wiping. I'm saying for the part number. So a few options if you don't want to use this brand, Pronto. All right, it's pretty good. What you think about that? Let me know. If you didn't get to read the options, if you decide to go for another oil filters, pause to read. Should be fine. Be careful when you do it with a e-gun, okay? You don't want to like strip the threads. I do it because I'm used to it. I'm used to like to this gun. But I know how to handle it. Now, clean after yourself. Put the cover back. Now we're gonna do this cover. Lysol. Just gotta push it in. That's it. I would make sure this guy's aligned. I'm not gonna tighten it yet. Alright. Let me get the little ones. The T25s for the size. One for over here. Three for the size. Each side. Sometimes you just gotta align it. I'm not tightening nothing yet. Right? I tighten it at the end. You know how it goes. Right? Everything Gucci. Don't forget the big ones. The T45. I got 3 of those. Since these are the last ones, just gonna tie this. And now do the T25s. 2 plastics. 3 on each side. 1 on the front. 3 on the other side. We're done with this. Let's go to the top. Pause. Replace the oil filter. And put the new oil. Boom. For the oil filter, 32 millimeters. All right, let's clean this oil filter. Like so. Remove the oil ring, the oil filter, and spray a little bit. Empty. Should be Gucci now. Grab the new oil filter. Just pop it in, just like that. The oil ring. Gucci. All right, you're good. We'll put some grease on the threads and on the oil ring. All right, like so. Now we just put it back. With the 32 millimeter socket. Tight it, snug it. Right here's going to tell you the specification. Okay, it's 25 plus 5 Newton for those freaks. Okay, there's nothing wrong with specifications if you follow them. Get used to it though. If you do engines and all that, transmissions, you're going to need specifications. Tight it, snug it, which let's pour the new oil. This one is going to take 6 quarts, 0W20, full synthetic oil. Once you done pouring the oil, put the oil cap back, push this down, start the car. Let it run for a minute though. Okay, so the oil go through the whole system, especially through the oil filter. All right. Then shut it down. Come over here, pull this out, wipe it, put it in again, pull it out. The reading should be right here. Let me show you. So it should be right here or nearby. Alright, you done with this? Put the other dipstick back. Since you're down here, check the other fluids. You go. You good. Alright, how to reset the oil life in this baby. I'm gonna start the car, step on the brake pedal, push the start button. Car running right now. Whoa. Yeah, I don't wanna get copyright infringement. Okay, oil change due. We're gonna get that going. Come over here. And home. Loading. Alright, we're gonna go vehicle. We're gonna go setting and service. Service interval. Reset. Yes. Boom. The message over there is gonna go away. Alright. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby, okay? Pretty much. Anything you wanna say, you know where to find me. It's me, Stu Burum. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, right below the video there's a heart. It says thanks. Click on it. It's gonna ask you for a tip. You do that, I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. It's me, Stu Burum. Hana. 2024 Audi A3. Burum.